बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन अबिल कासिम मुहम्मद वालिहि तय्यबीन ताहिरीन अल मासूमीन। अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ालल्लाहु तआला फ़ी क़ुरआनिल मजीद। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। सलवात। In the name of Almighty Allah, the Beneficent and Merciful, the Commander of the Faithful Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam says that victory is by determination. कामयाबी महकम इरादों से होती है. Today, first Muharram is the day for our strong determination. You all have seen last night the moon of Muharram. You became sad, you became gloomy, tears may have come from your eyes. But just imagine how the ladies of Karbala would have seen the moon of Muharram next year of the event of Karbala. Words are lacking to explain the difficult situation. You see, there are many dates on which sky and the earth weep. And there are many things on which neither sky nor earth weep. You know, when Fir'aun was chasing Hazrat Musa and finally Fir'aun was drowned, it is very clear in the Holy Quran that neither sky nor earth wept. And what a miracle! What a supreme sacrifice of Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam, that in spite of almost 1400 years past, still the sky and the earth are weeping over it in every and each corner of the world. How much Pakistan is on the map of world? How much Karachi take the space on the map of the world? Yesterday I got a list of 126 majalises being held in Karachi right from early morning to the midnight. What to talk of the other places? What to talk of the total globe? Really miracle. Now the point is this: we have to do a very strong determination today. Okay, inshallah, might be this may be our last Muharram of our life. Many of our friends, many of our relatives, many of our contacts who were alive last year are no longer with us. So this might be our last Muharram of life. So we will have to do a strong determination. Okay, inshallah, we will meaningfully pass this Muharram month and we will derive meaningful messages to bring a real change in us. Why it is so? Why it is so? Okay, after attending so many majalises, almost 100 majalises during Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awal, we are the same person. There is no visible change in us. So we need to increase our confidence and our belief that this life is temporary and that life is permanent. We have to increase our belief that of the day of judgment, about the death, the life after death, and we need to increase the blessings of paradise. Inshallah, from tomorrow I will be talking about more on the blessings of paradise and how we can derive meaningful messages, so that meaningful messages from the lessons of Karbala, that we can bring a real change in us. May Almighty Allah bless all of you. May Almighty Allah increase your mourning, and you may become the real mourners of Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. I cannot recite Masaib in English language, but just sharing that when Imam Hussain alayhi salam was born and brought before the Holy Prophet started weeping. Heavenly Lady Fatima asked, why are you weeping? These are the moments of happiness. Holy Prophet replied that my eyes are looking forward that this will be slain in the plain of Karbala like anything. You will be alive now. Hazrat Ali will be alive now. Then who will weep for my Hussain? Allah will create the communities who will weep for your Hussain. In a way, we are the dua of Bibi Sayyidah and Holy Prophet. Out of 7 billion people around the world, Allah has created in your heart, and your heart is burning with Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain. وَسَيَعْلَمُ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا أَيَّ مُنْقَلَبٍ يَنْقَلِبُونَ. Salawat.